Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Explore the world of contemporary bathroom decor ideas to elevate your personal sanitary, embracing clean lines, minimalistic aesthetics, and innovative designs. Contemporary decor transforms your bathroom into a stylish heaven, incorporates sleek fixtures, modern lighting, and chic accessories to create a space that seamlessly blends functionality with sophistication. Neutral color palettes such as whites, gray, and muted tones contribute to a calming atmosphere. Experiment with geometric shapes and patterns for a touch of uniqueness. Freestanding tubs and floating vanities are popular choices that enhance the open and airy feel of contemporary bathrooms. Don't forget to add botanical elements or vibrant essence to infuse life into a modern design, making your bathroom a true inflation of contemporary elegance. Consider incorporating smart features like sensor activated faucets and LED mirrors for a prosthetic touch. Opt for sustainable materials and eco-friendly fixtures to align with the modern design principle. Personalize the space with curated artwork or statement accessories to make a bold statement in your contemporary bathroom oasis. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.